Again, I would like to welcome you to ITSE 2309. This is some information on Competency 3. If you look at the PowerPoint slide, you will see that there are 5 tables represented. There is the order file, the customer file, concrete type file, truck file, and employee file. Now, if you look at the order file table, order number 100,000. Can you tell me the name of the truck driver for truck 111? If you keep looking to the right, you'll see driver ID. The driver ID can be found in the employee file. If you look at the employee file, you will see that employee 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the last name is Johnson. You will notice that in this representation, you have order number in the order file table. You have customer number in the customer file table. You have concrete type in the concrete type file table. And you have truck number in the truck file table. You have employee ID in the employee file table. If you go back and look at the order file, you'll notice that customer number in the blue number is represented by green in the order file table. Also in the concrete file, in the truck file, in the employee file, you'll notice that the primary identifier is the primary key in the table customer, employee, truck, and concrete become a foreign key in the order file table. So you have customer number, concrete type, truck number, and driver ID. Those are now foreign keys. So the primary key, employee ID in the employee file, becomes a foreign key in the order file table as the driver ID. This is how you can connect the information. So if I was to ask you what the address is, or more, what the customer number is, what the customer name for the customer number 1, 2, 3, 4 is, you would have to go look at the customer file table, look at the customer number column, look at 1, 2, 3, 4, and see that it is Smelding Homes. This is how you extract information. In some areas, some of the numbers do not provide data. They do provide the link that allows you to extract the data. So if I wanted to know what the primary customer name, primary customer contact name, I would have to go to the customer number from the order file down to the customer file table all the way to the right to see that the customer primary contact is Billy Johnson. And so customer number actually is the conduit that allows me to extract the information I need. Now, somewhere along in high school or grammar school, we started to learn about subjects and nouns and how sentences were constructed. Somewhere along the line, you also develop a concept where an entire sentence could be conceptually a subject. This is how you begin to get the idea of nesting information, where one query will extract information from several tables to give you a pool of information to draw from, and then another query will extract the desired information from the pool you have created. So you have a nesting effect. There are many ways that you can play with this stuff, and we will consider more items as we go along. This concludes this module.